Alright, good afternoon, boys and girls. Today for our objective, we are going to count $1 bills, $10 bills, and $100 bills. We're going to start off with a little scenario here. So suppose you go to Best Buy and you want to buy that brand new iPad Air. And that iPad Air comes to a total amount of $824. But you don't have $824 on you in exact change. So sometimes what you do is you give the person more than what they're asking for. So say I gave the salesperson $900 for my iPad Air that cost me $824. The cashier has to know how much money to give back to you. So what the person does is they start at the amount that you owed and they count up to what you gave them, just like we've been practicing. So let me show you that here. You got your brand new iPad, you're about to walk out, but you got to get your change back first. It cost you $824, you gave them $900. So I'm going to start at $824 and I'm going to count up to $900. Watch. $824, $825, $826, $827, $828, $829, $830. There's that nice number, that benchmark number of 30. Now I can use my tens. So 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890, 900. So she reached the amount that you gave to her. So you have all the change that you need. Let's find out how much change you got. Ready? I'm going to lay my tens out. So that way we can skip count and count our values here. So let's figure out how much change you're getting back. Now you can go buy something else. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76. Hey, now you have $76 more. Go buy yourself something nice. Alright, you awesome second graders, you all have your brand new iPads. Awesome job counting back with Miss Radzewski. Now we're going to really look at and see what did we actually count by when we got our change back. Like Miss Radzewski said, it's much easier for people to count back using different units, like ones, tens, and 100s. We don't always want to be counting by ones because it's going to take us too long. So to do this, we can look at it a different way, and we're going to put it up here on a number line for you. Miss Radzewski started at $824 because the iPad cost $824. And the first thing that she counted by was ones. So let's count by ones to see how many we had to add to get to this benchmark number. 824, 825, 826, 827, 828, 829, 830. We just added 6 ones to get to this benchmark number. And now that we're at this benchmark number, we can start skip counting by tens. Let's see how many tens we have to add in order to get to the $900 that you gave to the cashier. Let's skip count by tens. 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890, 900. Let's see how many tens we counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens to get to $900. Alright, let's try one more, but this time we're going to use a blank number line. I want you to be really thinking about those different units that you're using to count. And we're going to start at 200 and we're going to count up to 425. So we're going to start over here at 200, and I'm going to think to myself first, if I have to get all the way up to 425, I don't want to start counting by ones because that's going to take way too long. You want to be the most efficient and the quickest you can to get up to 425. So I'm going to try to start with my largest unit, and I'm going to count by 100s. 200,
300, 400. Now I've reached that benchmark number. If I add another 100, I'm going to be going too far. So I need to stop at 400. Let's count and see how many hundreds did we add. 100, 200. I used 2 hundreds to get to my benchmark of 400. Now I'm going to try my next unit, and I'm going to skip count by tens. 400, 410, 420. If I add another 10, I'll be too far. I would get 430. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to see how many tens did I add to get to my next benchmark number. 110, 2 tens. I'm at 420. I need to reach 425. I'm going to skip count by ones now. 420, 421, 422, 423, 424, 425. This is my ending number. Let's see how many ones we added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So now you've used hundreds, tens, and ones to skip count from 200 to 425.